You may get upset about bad membrane switch and graphic overlay. Here's the situation. A new keypad is installed, but fades after a short time. What is the reason? Does discoloration specifically have any impact on the equipment? In the early days of graphic overlay design, some designers put the color on the front, or used materials and inks that aren't corrosive. When finished products come into use, if they are exposed to moisture, heat, or certain chemical, oxidation is possible, causing the color to fade or disappear. In addition, it may also be a problem with the manufacturer's process. If the baking time during the printing is insufficient or too long, it will easily cause the keypad to fade. JRPanel has engineers and workers with rich experience. We work hard to ensure high quality and good look. We have various machines for fully automatic, semi-automatic, and manual silk screen printing. We do everything right to meet customer needs. JRPanel has many years of experience in membrane switch design. Welcome to contact us and place an order.